Ever pondered the reason behind the lush green forest standing tall on a previously barren land, or wondered how a devastated forest can spring back to life? The magic behind these transformations lies in the biological processes known as primary and secondary succession. Understanding these processes can unlock the mysteries of nature's resilience and persistence. Primary succession begins on lifeless terrain. Think of a bare rock, a desert, or a lava-covered landscape. It's a slow process that takes thousands of years. Life begins with the arrival of pioneering species, usually lichens or mosses, which are hardy enough to endure harsh conditions. These pioneers break down the rock into smaller pieces, creating a thin layer of soil. With time, more soil accumulates, allowing more complex plants like grasses, ferns, and shrubs to take root. These plants further enrich the soil by adding organic matter when they die and decompose. This, in turn, attracts insects and small animals. As the soil continues to improve, larger plants, such as trees, can establish themselves. These trees, known as the Climax Community, represent the final stage of primary succession. They create a stable, self-sustaining ecosystem that can support a wide variety of life forms. Secondary succession, on the other hand, occurs in areas where an existing community has been wiped out, usually due to natural disasters like wildfires, floods, or human activities like deforestation. Unlike primary succession, secondary succession happens much faster, as the soil already exists. The succession kicks off with pioneer species, often fast-growing weeds, which quickly cover the ground. These pioneers help to stabilize the soil and provide shelter for insects and small animals. As the ecosystem recovers, larger plants and trees start to grow, eventually leading to a new climax community, similar to the one that existed before. To summarize, primary and secondary succession are nature's way of healing and regenerating. Primary succession starts from scratch, transforming lifeless terrain into a thriving ecosystem over thousands of years. Secondary succession, meanwhile, rebuilds an ecosystem after a disruption, using the existing soil as a foundation. Both processes demonstrate the incredible resilience of nature, its ability to adapt, and its never-ending cycle of growth and regeneration. They remind us of the intricate interplay between different life forms and the environment, and they underscore the importance of every single organism, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystems. So the next time you marvel at a forest's beauty or wonder how a barren landscape can burst into life, remember the silent, tireless work of primary and secondary succession. We make biology simple for you. Subscribe for more videos.